For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The whole world is moving towards the new normal life amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Several films and shows are also resuming their shootings. In the past few months, several production houses had stopped shooting over safety concerns. But according to the sources, it is said that Kicha Sudeep is all ready to start the shoot of his next big film. It was also reported that the Kannada film industry will also be starting its operations with new strict rules being enforced for the cast and crew on sets. The producer of Kicha's film revealed that how the shooting will be taking place during the crisis. It was reported that Kicha Sudeep will be soon starting the shoot of his film Phantom. Phantom is an action drama movie written and directed by Anup Bhandari. Reportedly, Sudeep will be playing the role of Vikrant Rona in the film. The soundtrack in the movie is composed by B. Ajanish Loknath. The film to be produced by Jack Manju and his wife, Jack Manju. It was reported that this will be the first big-budget Kannada film that will resume shooting. The producer of the film, Manjunath Gowda, expressed that the cast and crew will take all the precautionary measures needed.
The cast and the crew of the movie will maintain social distancing, and they have set up several safety measures in place for the people working on the film, and also the whole crew is from Karnataka. The whole cast and crew shuttles between the set and accommodation, and all the people involved in the film will not be going home due to safety concerns.
Kicha Sudeep asked the producer to ensure zero risks of any other contact at the set. The producer further added that they have implemented a work quarantine model for the film shooting.
Sudeep sir suggested this so that the cast and crew only shuttle between the set and the accommodation arranged by the production house to ensure zero risks of any other contact. In a way, we are implementing a work quarantine model. We have spoken to the unions in Hyderabad as well, and I've told them that if we were to hire someone from that industry to be a part of the filmmaking, he or she would have to comply to the same rules rather than returning to his or her own home after pack-up.
Sudeep had suggested that they will have a cast and crew that shuttles between set and accommodation as they cannot head back home.
The cast and crew are from a certain age limit will be allowed on the set, and no elders or children will be seen shooting for the film as of now. The scenes which will feature children will be shot at the end of the 5-day shoot plan, which is scheduled to take place in Hyderabad.
The makers are planning to have a doctor and 2 nurses on the sets. Filmmakers have been discussing ways to execute the shoot without affecting the health of the cast and crew with a team for more than a month. The film is directed by Anup Bhandari. The film also features Nirup Bhandari in an important role. Meanwhile, Kicha Sudeep is also working on the production of another Kannada film titled Kotigobba 3, directed by Shiva Karthik. A few months ago, there were also speculations that the actor might play the antagonist in STR's upcoming film Manadu. However, the actor denied it as baseless rumors.